Hello everyone, welcome to the Climatology Observation Post at Ngancar Reservoir. This post play an important role in monitoring weather, collecting climate data, and supporting water resource management and public safety. Every day, observations are carried out to record rainfall, temperature, humidity, and other atmospheric conditions. We also appreciate Mr. Suyanto, the caretaker and staff member of the Ngancar Reservoir Climatology Post, for his dedication and hard work in maintaining this facility. Through continuous observation, this post makes an important contribution to understanding climate conditions and supporting sustainable development. The first instrument at the Ngancar Reservoir Climatology Post is the maximum and minimum thermometer, which has been in use since 1974. This instrument is used to measure and record the highest and lowest air temperature within a certain period, usually over 24 hours. Its functions is essential for monitoring daily temperature change, analyzing climate patterns, and supporting accurate weather observations at the climatology station. The Stephenson screen is a protective shelter used to house important weather instruments such as thermometer in order to ensure accurate atmospheric measurement. Its main function is to protect the instrument from direct sunlight, rain, and other external environmental factors while allowing proper air circulation. This design helps provide precise reading of air temperature and humidity, making it essential for reliable weather and climate observation. The Campbell Stock Sunshine Recorder is a meteorological instrument used to measure and record the duration of sunshine each day. It works by using a solid glass sphere made of crystal of special clear glass to focus sunlight onto a recording card, creating a burn trace that shows the number of sunshine hours. This instrument is very important in climate observation because it helps monitor solar radiation patterns, support weather analysis, and provide value data for agriculture and environmental study. In addition to measuring the duration of sunshine, this instrument also helps climatology officials analyze the intensity of sunlight based on the length and clarity of the burn trace of the recording card. The data product is very useful for understanding seasonal change, supporting agricultural activity, estimating evaporation potential, and serving as an important part of long-term climate research. Although it is considered a conventional instrument, the Campbell Stock Sunshine Recorder still holds significant value because its observations are simple, accurate, and easy to use in daily climatological monitoring. The evaporimeter is a meteorological instrument used to measure the amount of water evaporation into the atmosphere of a certain period of time. The instrument helps determine how much water is lost from a water surface due to the effect of sunlight, temperature, wind, and humidity. At a climatology post, the evaporimeter is essential for monitoring evaporation rate, with important for water resource management, agricultural planning, irrigation system, and climate analysis. The data collected from this instrument also help in understanding environmental conditions, prediction drought potential, and supporting long-term weather and climate study. The river, when half a liter of water is added, the visible reference point, which was previously slightly larger, becomes smaller due to the evaporation process. This observation is checked only once every morning to monitor the amount of water loss caused by evaporation. If the reference point is no longer visible, it indicates that additional rainwater has entered the container. To determine how much rainwater has been added, water is carefully removed from the tank until the reference point becomes visible again, allowing observers to measure the amount of rainfall accurately. The ombrometer is a meteorological instrument used to measure and record the amount of rainfall over a certain period of time. At a climatology post, this instrument is very important because it serves as the main tool for observing daily rainfall, which is usually measured in millimeters. The ombrometer works by collecting rainwater through a recurving funnel, and the accumulated water is then measured to determine the amount of rainfall. This data is recorded regularly to support weather and climate observation. The data collected from the ombrometer is highly useful for analyzing rainfall patterns, supporting agriculture, managing water resources, controlling floods, and predicting drought potential. At the Ngancar Reservoir Climatology Post, this instrument also play an important role in monitoring rainfall conditions that affect reservoir water level and the surrounding environment. Although simple in design, the ombrometer is a vital instrument because it provides accurate rainfall data for climate research and long-term environmental planning. The Hellman rain gauge is a meteorological instrument used to measure rainfall accurately. It collects rainwater through a special funnel into a measuring container, where the rainfall amount is recorded in millimeters. This instrument is important for monitoring rainfall patterns, supporting water resource management, agriculture, and climate observation. At the Ngancar Reservoir Climatology Post, it also helps monitoring rainfall that affect reservoir water level and the surrounding environment. In conclusion, the instrument at the Ngancar Reservoir Climatology Post play an essential role in observing weather and climate conditions accurately. Through continuous monitoring and dedicated work, this climatology post provide valuable data that support environmental protection, water resource management, and sustainable development. Thank you for watching, and hope this survey provide useful insto the importance of climatology observation in your daily life. Thank you.